नेसनल जूरी एग्जीक्यूटिव डाइरेक्टर राजीव नार्जारी बिथाङा जोंनि हाबाफारियाव बाहागो लाफैनानै हाबाफारिखौ जाफुंसार होनायनि थाखाय आङो बिथांनिसिमबो साबायखर जासिबाय लोगोसे क'क्राझार जिल्लानि बर' फरायसा आफादनि बोसोनगिरि रबिकान्त ब्रह्म लोगोसे क'क्राझार जिल्ला इउपिपिएलनि गाहाय नेहाथारि बिक्रम मुसाहारि आदानिसिमबो आङो साबायखर जासिबाय बिथाङाबो हाबाफारियाव बाहागो लाफैनानै हाबाफारिखौ जाफुंसार होनायनि थाखाय लोगोसे दिनै क'क्राझार जिल्ला
Here is the program which came to an end. It was held at Kokrazar Motopas Children Park, which was protesting against the person who killed 2 people of Dima Hasao district, and therefore
so that's it, it's over now.
These are the participants, which was a number of persons who has attended this meeting. So this time this program comes to an end. So with this we are abide the person to give their life and respect to their own state.
And if you want similar videos like this again, please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, please.
This was the place where
This is the
leader of
status. This is the statue of Borofa UN Bromo, father of Boros.
and it is named as Motopas Children Park. Thank you.